Meet the uPM60V handheld veterinary pulse oximeter. This is a display of the product outer packaging. The content after opening is shown in the video. Compact, reliable, and designed for animals. It features a large 3.5-inch color display with 320x80 resolution, with touchscreen as an option. Clean interface, complete functions, and fast response. It accurately measures SpO2 and pulse rate for animals, supporting extended heart rate display. Compatible with dedicated veterinary SpO2 sensors for cats, horses, dogs, and multiple species. 3 working modes: spot check, monitor, and record, meeting different clinical demands. This is your reliable partner for veterinary monitoring. We welcome global distributors and partners.